Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In today's video, I want to talk to you about how to make money with YouTube when you don't have 1,000 subscribers and you haven't reached 4,000 hours of watch time. I'm talking about when you're not monetized and you're not getting any money from Adsense. How in the world do you make money with YouTube when you are in this state? Well, what I want to talk to you is about marketing and specifically understanding how people react or what people are using YouTube for and how they react to certain types of videos, meaning the videos that you're going to make, the content that you're going to generate on your YouTube channel to make money. And we're going to talk about specifically about the review video, how to use YouTube to review a product and actually make money and not worry about whether or not you're making any money from monetization. Now I'm going to show you here on my YouTube channel, which you see right here on the screen. We're going to search for a couple videos, and then I'm going to show you the details of those videos, how much money those videos made, both in AdSense on a channel that's monetized and one channel that's not monetized yet, and how much money that video made. So let's just jump right into it. And again, we're starting with a review video. We're simply going to go up here and we're going to search for a product that I reviewed called The Hive. The Hive review right here from J.K. Dowdle. So you're going to see right here the Hive review. You're going to scroll down, and what we're looking for is my video to see where it's at, and it's right there. And I'm going to click on that video and we're going to take a look at it. And I'm also going to show you inside my analytics to talk a little bit about the actual money that I made from being monetized on this channel here at 30 Minute Marketing. And then I'm going to show you actually how much money I made from selling this. But first, before we get to that, when someone searches for the Hive review, what are they looking for? They're looking for an actual review of the product. They want to see what your opinion is of the product, and they want to know what you think about it and if it's going to be good and it's going to be worth their money. The searcher intent. The searcher intent meaning, what is the person looking for? They're looking for an answer to their question. They want to know what your view of this product is. So this could work in just about any product, actually really any product, physical products, digital products. In this case, I'm talking about an info training product, and I reviewed it. I talked about how good it is. I talked about how bad it is. I talked about a bonus that I was going to add to make it even better. So what does that really look like when we're talking about making videos, having people looking for it, searcher intent? What does it really look like? So let's take a look at that before we go any further, so we're all on the same page here and we're understanding exactly what we're talking about. So again, I showed you the video, and when your potential customer is searching on YouTube, in this case, they're searching for a review video. They just want to know if the product is going to be worth their time and their money. So they typed in the review of X or the Hive review. They found the video, they clicked on it, they land on the video, they watch the video. You come up with a call to action. You say, if you want to get this product, check it out. Check out my bonus. Get a deal now. It's launching today, right? Link in the description. And then they land on a landing page, a bonus page, or you even send them directly to an affiliate offer page. Or if it's your own product, you send them to your own product page. But in the overall scheme of things, this is what you're doing. You are looking for your potential customer, and you are creating content that your potential customer is going to search for on YouTube. They're going to find your video, watch your video. You're not going to make any money or a little bit of money if you are monetized. But the point here is you're not monetized. You want your audience to find that video. Then you want to link out to a landing page, a bridge page, a squeeze page, a bonus page, or directly to that affiliate offer, just like on this page you see right here. Watch the video, provide great content, provide exactly what they're looking for. Provide a recommendation, provide a link. They click on that link, they land on your landing page, they jump to your affiliate page, and they make the purchase. Let me show you what that means in real dollars and cents. So here you are on WarriorPlus, is where this product sold, and the other product I'm going to show you as well on my other YouTube channel that is not monetized. Again, I'm going to show you the money that I made on a monetized channel versus no monetization on a channel. And we're going to do that right here on WarriorPlus. Right here on Affiliate Daily Stats, we're going to click on More, and I'm going to show you the Hive. So you scroll down, you can see right here the Hive. You click on that, and I'm going to show you all the money that I've made from that single video. So you can see right here, if I go to all time, it's going to bring up the Hive, and you can see right here, Hive bonus, 21 unique hops, 10 sales, 47.6% conversion rate. That means that 10 people bought it out of the 21 people that found my YouTube video, and I made $121.24. So again, that's how you're making money from a video without being monetized. No money from Adsense, or a little bit of money from Adsense. So let me show you that before I show you the other product and how much I made from that product on a channel that I don't have monetized. So again, we're talking about the Hive. That video is right here. Again, link in the description. Click this link to get the Hive and your bonus responsiveness, meaning that's the name of the bonus, the product that I created that I served up to everyone that purchased the Hive. So they click on that link, and you can see right here, this is the bonus page. I talk about creating these types of pages right here on the channel. Links in the descriptions, all those videos. You can find everything here in the channel just by searching for it. But that's the general purpose. They click the Buy Now button, they go to WarriorPlus, they make the purchase, and you see the money that I made. Again, this video right here, you can see 155 views. Let's go actually look in YouTube Studio and see how much money I made from this video from AdSense, because my channel is monetized. So here you'll just simply click on videos, and you can scroll through all the videos you have, or you can search across your channel. In this case, I'm going to search for Hive. You can see the Hive review right here. I'm going to click on analytics and just show you how much money I made from AdSense. Your estimated revenue since published right there, 97 cents. So since I published this video, I made a whopping 97 cents from ad revenue. And again, this represents a channel that's not monetized. I am going to show you a channel that's not monetized and show you how much I made from that. But I want you to focus on this right here. What I did is I created a piece of content. I satisfied the searcher's intent. They wanted to know about the Hive. They wanted to see a review. They wanted to find out my opinion of the review. And if they liked my opinion and they liked my bonus, and they clicked through and they bought it, and you saw those results. But you can see right here, 97 cents is basically effectively not monetization. I did not lean on or rely on monetization or AdSense to make money from my YouTube channel, to make money from this video. So this is the perfect example of how you can make money using YouTube before you get to monetization, or if you never get to monetization. And again, just like I showed you, make the content, link in the description, click on the bonus page, land on the bonus page, over to the affiliate page, and then you see the money that was made. Now, let's look at a video on a channel that's not monetized with a whole lot less subscribers, just so you can see how that works as well. So we'll go back to YouTube, and in this case, what we're going to do is we're just going to look for a product review called Instant Puzzle Generator review. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, and you're going to see my face right there again on another channel that I have, which you know about already. If you follow me in 30-minute marketing, you know that this is about low content. You're going to click on that video. You're going to see right there, no ads whatsoever on that video. But what did I do again? I have a call to action. If you want to pick this up in my bonuses, click the link in the description. That's what I'm telling that video. You click on that, and of course, it pops over to another bonus page. I create all these bonus pages on GroovePages. I talk about GroovePages on the channel. You can find the videos here. Of course, link in the description to all that content. You can see right here, they're going to click here to buy now, to pick up my bonuses. This is a classic example of a bonus page. And now I'm going to show you inside the analytics of this YouTube channel. Then I'm going to show you how much money I made on WarriorPlus with this single video. So again, here we are inside of YouTube Studio and the analytics. I'm just going to type in Instant right here, and I'm going to find that video, and I'm going to simply go to analytics and just show you inside so you can fully understand what's going on. This video did get me 2 subscribers, but as you can see, there is no monetization on this video. Go back to the channel dashboard, and let's take a look at the number of subscribers. Currently on this channel, 91 subscribers. Now, do you want to know how much I made on this video, or how much I made from this video, meaning when someone purchased this product and got my bonuses, how much money did I make? Go ahead, drop it in the comments and make your best guess before I show you. It might surprise you, it might not surprise you, but let's take a look on how much that one video on my channel that's not monetized with 91 subscribers made me. And to do that, we'll go back to WarriorPlus. Again, I'm using WarriorPlus as an example here because it's where these products are sold. This is where the vendors chose to sell these products. You could just as easily do this on ClickBank. You could just as easily do this through PayPal. You could just as easily do this with your own products. So don't get hung up on the WarriorPlus thing. This is just the marketplace that I use for these products. They're good products from supported vendors, and they just happen to be on WarriorPlus. So again, we're going to go down here and look at affiliate daily stats. You're going to see the stats for today. You're going to see a stat here for Instant Puzzle Generator. We're going to click on that and do the same thing we did for the Hive. We're going to click on all time, and then you're going to see how much I made all time, which was from that one video, $178.09. So again, that is $178.09 from a channel that is not monetized, that has 91 subscribers and about 80 hours of watch time. So again, this is the perfect example right here of how you can make money using YouTube before you get to 1,000 subscribers, before you get to 4,000 hours of watch time, even if you never make it to monetization. If you understand what marketing is, and you understand that when you create content, your purpose is to serve your audience. Your purpose is to satisfy the searcher intent. YouTube is a search engine. People are looking for solutions to their problems, looking for answers to their questions. Solve those problems, answer those questions, provide good, detailed information, utilize best practices when it comes to marketing, specifically direct response, call to action, link in the description, pick up my bonus, link in the description, grab it now while there's a launch, link in the description because it's the best product since sliced bread, link in the description to find out everything that you wanted from the best product ever. You get the point. You don't have to be monetized to make money on YouTube. If you would like to learn more exactly how to do this strategy with affiliate marketing here on YouTube, guess what? Link in the description. Click that link. Go find out exactly how to do this step by step. And if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like these videos right here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.